Last time we covered selection tools. There are still a few things that need to be mentioned about selection tools, but we'll do that in another video. So subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Okay, today we are going to talk about more tools. First one is frame tool. Use this tool to create a frame or a placeholder for images. Take any image, select the type of frame you want, rectangular or elliptical, from the top bar. Create a frame and ta-da! One thing to remember is you cannot apply layer style or mask. So convert to a smart object if you want to apply layer styles. I will also make a video on layer styles really soon, so stay tuned for that. Now, moving to the next tool, that is eyedropper tool. One of the easiest but really useful tool. It picks up color from area you click on. Size of area can be changed and the source, that is, the layer from which the color is picked, can be changed from the top bar. This tool can be most used while you are matching colors, highlights, shadows, or in digital painting. Now, this is time for the OG tool, the brush tool. If you want to create photo manipulation art, then this is going to be the best tool. Using brush tool properly can change the level of photorealism. You can paint on canvas using this. You can play with various settings available here and there, which will need a particular video to explain, but some of the basic settings that you will use mostly are opacity, flow, smoothing, blending mode, and sometimes angle too. Also remember, you cannot use brush or similar tools on a smart object. You need to rasterize the layer. And if you don't know the difference between smart object and rasterized layer, don't worry about it. I'll quickly explain it in another short video, so stay tuned for that. One more thing about brush tool. You can use Photoshop default brushes, or you can download some presets from the internet to mimic any texture or brush, or you can also create your own brushes. So moving on to the similar tool, we have pencil tool. This tool again can be used to draw or scribble. Almost all the settings are same except you don't get to control flow, and rest of the differences are on screen. That's it for the day. Practice these tools and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.